with another Excel set problem set scenario in which I will be using the choose function and its practical use. So the use which I am showing in here is one of its type. There might be some other implications of this particular problem set scenario. Without further ado, let's move on. So we'll be giving an employment code in here, and based on the employment code, the designation of that particular against those employment code will be shown, and I will be using the choose function. Choose, and I will be extracting one character from the value which I will be providing in this particular cell. I will be extracting the last character of it, and based on the last character the position will be in here. So this one, comma, second one, comma, third one, comma, fourth one, comma, fifth one, comma, sixth one, sorry, so sixth one, comma, seventh one, comma, so A12 is also missing, so let me write it manually, A12, and then finally A13. 10, 11 is missing, so let me write in here A11. Yeah, that's it. So now whenever I'll be giving an employment code, suppose I am giving the employment code suppose as SR001, SR001, it's OE. Now somebody has come up to me and he is asking about his position. I asked him about what is your employment code. So whenever I am giving the employment code of that particular employee, my employment code is SR007. Okay, so your designation is manager. So there is another, we can mask this particular value within a if error function. If error, fine. So if error, then provide employment code, EMP code. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. So it's saying provide employment code. Now whenever I am giving some employment code such as, so I can create a list in here as well. So insert, data, from data I will be using the data validation, and from this value, any value to I will be selecting the list option, and the source will be something like from the top to the bottom of it. Let's press OK. Now whenever you are selecting something, so SR003 is group 2. So let me know in the comment section, guys, how you felt about this video. And in a summarized way, choose function accepts an integer value, and based on that integer value from 1 to 254, it returns a corresponding row number, the row value. So if I am giving the row value of 1, it's this one OE, then 2, then 3. So that's how choose function works. Let me know in the comment section how you felt about this video. Happy coding, guys.